Ang tanong nako ang makahimo ana gyud is ang embassy of the Philippines to the Netherlands. May makahimo ana. But I do not know kung sa bagyod if that's legal or not. I cannot answer that now. So sila mo interpret ana. But ang nakanindot man gud klaro ang mandato sa tao diri sa Davao nga ang gusto nga mayor sa mga tao is si Rodrigo Duterte. So since wala man nila disqualify, he was given the opportunity to run as the mayor, and mayor-elect na magit sa karon. So, let's leave it at that for the moment. Kay, mapumunta ka balo kung unsa gid ang buhaton. Kay, ang administration karon is clearly against us. So, it's up to them. They have the power and influence to manipulate things, allow or not allow things. So nana na sila. So if they will not honor ang gusto ng mga Davaoenyo, that's up to them. I do not know yet. Wala pa mo kabalo sa intricacies aning kuan mahitabo sa situation, but I want to believe that this administration will allow Rodrigo Duterte to take the seat as mayor. It's to honor the will of the people.
That's why it makes you optimistic.
Yeah, that's why I don't think about kung unsa ba mauwi si bako, acting mayor bako, wala pa ko kabalo which is which. But kaniko, diri ko gusto nako nga si Rodrigo Duterte ang akong amahan may mulingkod nga pagkamayor diri sa Davao.